ATV model RV129 is a precision diamond scriber. The standard maximum scribing length or Y movement of the XY table is 250 mm. Optional 300 mm are available. The maximum X movement of the XY table is 210 mm. Silicon wafers up to 200 mm in diameter or glass ceramic substrates up to 6 inch by 6 inch can be scribed. The minimum substrate size clamped by the vacuum chuck is 30 mm by 30 mm. Optional maximum substrate formats up to 200 by 300 mm can be scribed. The angle position of the diamond tool is also precisely adjustable. The vacuum chuck is fixed on a turntable mounted on a precise XY table. The scribing force of the diamond tip can be adjusted from 0 to 300 grams or from 150 to 500 grams. To process substrates with different thickness, the diamond tip position above the vacuum chuck is adjustable by a micrometer screw. There are 4 notches at the outside of the round vacuum chuck for the 90-degree positions. Precise theta adjustment is done by a micrometer screw. The XY table has a handle to move it easily by hand in Y direction, back and forth. In the front and in the back position of the table, the diamond tip is automatically lifted up or down. The lift up and down positions are adjustable. The model RV129 has a 25 times microscope with XY crosshair and illumination. The Y line or vertical line of the crosshair is lined up with the diamond tip. By moving the table back and forth, the reference marks or traces on the wafer are aligned with the Y line of the microscope by turning the micrometer screws for the theta and X positions of the table. The X position of the table is indicated by a digital gauge with 10 micrometer resolution. When the Y line of the microscope is properly aligned with the reference lines on the wafers, the digital gauge can be reset to 0. With the micrometer screw on the X-axis, the scribing steps can be precisely set and indicated. On the right side of the RV129 there are 2 manual vacuum valves, one for the vacuum clamping and one for the diamond tool lift up and down. Instructions for manual breaking of the scribed substrates. Place the substrate edge with the scribing lines between the pointing fingers and the thumbs of your hands. Please obtain that the scribing line is at the opposite side of the fingernails of your thumbs. By carefully bending and pulling along the scribe line, the substrate will break.